Shaping the future of Vidarbha, SIBM Nagpur has partnered with VED for signing a groundbreaking MOU for the research and development of the region. Stay tuned as we sit down with VED's president, Ms. Reena Sinha, for an exclusive chat. Ma'am, for the first question, what role does VED play in attracting investment and fostering entrepreneurship in the region?
See, VED is an NGO which has been active for more than 25 years now. And we act as a catalyst between all stakeholders to make this a viable economic region. So, consumers, policymakers, and the bureaucracy as well as the government. We work with all of them and then try to bring out things which are essential for basically the economic development of this region. So, unless and until there is no economic development, there will not be any growth. So VED has been working at doing this for the last so many years, and we have been detrimental in many such initiatives like getting a good educational institutions here, MIHAN. We've been very much instrumental in getting MIHAN done here with policies. Then we've worked on making this place the tiger capital of India. So we've done a lot in tourism and so on and so forth. Even IT policy for that matter. We've done work for the SEZ. We've tried to bring good IT companies in the region and many more such. Mining industry, we've worked a lot on, because as you know, this region is very rich in the mineral resources, mines and mineral resources. So whatever is there which the region has to offer, tapping that potential to bring a development here. Is that what VED does?
Thank you. Ma'am, how do you think young professionals and students can contribute to Vidarbha's economic growth?
That's a wonderful question. That's why we are here. The power of the youth and the power of the young minds is something which we understand very much at VED. And you all are very fortunate to be there in an age where information is there at your fingertips and technology. So using that, plus the fact that you all are so aware of what is going around here, if we can take your help and support in bringing out projects, doing some research work on certain VED's thrust areas and help them to make a project report and present it to the stakeholders like the bureaucracy and the government to attract investors and to attract business and revenue growth in this region. So that is something which is personally very close to my heart, because I am from the education line and I do understand that the youth today have tremendous power in bringing out a change that they really wish they want to have.
Thank you. Ma'am, for the last question, what do you think is the steps for Vidarbha in the next 10 years, and what are the steps that are being taken to make it into a reality?
See, Vidarbha is the heart of the country. And we are very rich in all kinds of natural resources. And with the work, we are doubly privileged to have Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji as well as Shri Gadkari ji at the helm of affairs in their own respective areas. There is a lot, because of educational institutes like yours and so many others, plus the culture policy. When we did certain events to bring the IT companies here, there was always a question, what after 7 p.m.? What do people have here after 7 p.m.? And you can see a tremendous upsurge of so many, entertainment and resorts and hotels and now even industries. Now we are actually making waves with the solar explosive company, which is huge. Now, so I see Vidarbha 10 years from now, if you really ask my perspective and VED's perspective for that matter, harnessing the natural resources, the zeal and the political will that we are having now, plus the work that we NGOs like us are doing, I look at a tremendous industrial revolution happening here. I look at a lot of educational institutions happening here. I look at a lot of benefits for even in the because in the mines and so on and so forth, there's lots that we can do for the people in the mines. So that growth, the mining sector, the tourism sector, the education sector, the IT sector, now with AI coming in, the robotics, manufacturing sector, automobiles, solar, there's so much happening. So Vidarbha is poised for a jet-setting growth is what I personally am very positive about. And I take this opportunity to instill this confidence and positivity in each student over here to say that this is the place to be in and this is the place which is going to grow. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time, ma'am.
Thank you.
Looking forward to
Pleasure having you, having these questions to be answered.